Hello guys, welcome to my new video of this C++ tutorial, and in this video lecture we will talk about C++ variables. So what is a variable actually? A variable is just a name which is associated with a value, or which holds a or which stores a value that can be changed, that may or may not be changed. Okay, so uh, or we can also say that a variable is a name assigned to a memory location, and that memory location holds a value which can be changed. See, if I write here uh, int a and a equal to 5. Okay, so what is actually doing, you know that what is int is a data type. Okay, this int is what? This int is a data type, and we had made a integer type of variable here. This a is the variable name. See, this a is variable name and integer is the type of the data. So what this variable will store? This variable will store a integer type of data. Okay, so see carefully, uh, what will happen in the compiler or in the operating system. When the compiler see this int, so uh, he comes to know, the compiler comes to know that there is something which will happening related to what? Integers. Okay, and after that, when it see this a, the variable, so the compiler will allocate some memory in memory, and assign that memory a name with a. The name of the memory with memory location is a, and after that, coming to here, it will store the value 5 in it. Okay, so how it is working, can you see? What is this? This line is what? This is declaration. When we write int a just and do not give any value, so it is known as declaration. Okay, declare, oh say declaration. And what is this value? When we initialize something to a variable, then it is called initialization. Okay, so in that case, so friends, there are different types of variables in C++, and these types of variables totally depends upon the type of data type. Okay, if we write int before the variable, then it will be a integer type of variable. Okay, int a is a integer type of variable. If we write here character c or character ch just, so this is the name ch is a variable, and it is what type of variable? This is a character type of variable. Okay, and if we write float here, float f, so this f is what? This f is a floating or decimal or floating point type of variable. If we write double d here, so this variable d is a double type of variable. Are you getting my point? So I will write here, so see, I have write here the type of variable in front of the declaration of these variables. See, so there are different types of variables, and they are depends upon the type of data type. Okay, so what can I do? What will this a store? This a will store a integer type of data. That's why I can store here 34. Okay, what this ch store? Ch will store a character, so I am storing here n. Okay, what will this f or f variable stored, this f will store a floating point number, that is 43.3. Okay, what this double d is also stores floating point numbers, but with the range, its range is double than the floating point numbers. Okay, the float type of data type, so it can also store 67 point, like that. So if we print them, if we write cout what a handle what ch handle, oh sorry, end handle, and what f handle, and at the last d. If we write this here, then if you see, if we execute the program, then what will the output? The a will show 34, ch will show n, f will show 43.3, d will show 67.787. So let's execute the program and see the output. So to execute the program, go to this build and run and click on it, and you can see the output: 34 the value of a, and the value of ch, 43.3 the value of f, 67.787 the value of d. So the output is correct according to our program. So hope you guys like the video. So we will meet in next video with the next topic. Thank you and have a nice day.